Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a very delicious meat pie recipe. I made two shades of meat pie in this very recipe. I have a little light gold meat pie and I have golden brown meat pie, and trust me guys, this came out very delicious. The crust was awesome. Come on guys, let's do this. For the meat pie items, I'm going to be using some potatoes. I have some scotch bonnets. I'm going to add some scotch bonnet. I want a peppered meat pie. I have two carrots. I have garlic. I have ginger. And I have onion. I'm going to chop all of this into the little bit sizes and get started with this. Okay. So I have beef for this very meat pie recipe. I'm going to chop this into some chunks. Cook nicely, season well to my preference, and then blend this for the meat pie filling. Okay, I have this turkey sausage smoked. I just want to enjoy sausage, and yeah, I'm going to make some pieces of sausage. I'm going to go ahead and cut my beef. I don't want to waste time guys, so chop your beef into any sizes of your choice, and this will be done. I don't want too much beef because we actually try to stay away from red meat, but I just want that meat pie, Nigerian meat pie. I just want to show you this recipe anyways. I have a very beautiful meat pie filling recipe on my channel. You can go and look it up. But yeah, this is just because we are craving for meat pie. I'll wash this and put it on the stove. So all of this ginger, garlic, onion and pepper will be going into the meat. My meat has been nicely washed. But I'm going to add my meat in, like so. I'm going to go in with my blended stuff. Do you like to use fresh beef or grounded beef from the store? Next is my thyme. Next is my curry, my Goya seasoning. You can skip any of this seasoning. My adobo seasoning. I'm going to go in with some salt, just like so. I'm going to add no Maggi. I have some minced onions. You can choose to add more fresh onion, but I don't want to add fresh onion because I already blended fresh onion into it. So go through your own, preference, okay? But these are the basics you need for your meat pie beef seasonings, okay? So I'm going to mix this together and I'll allow it to bring out its own juice. So all of those seasonings can get into the meat very, very well. You really don't need too much water. All you need is just for your meat to cook well. This is meat pie. Except if you need the juice for something else, then you can add a little water. But at this point, you have to just allow it to cook gently. Let it give you its own juice so that it will cook until it is very tender. That way, when you blend, it's going to be very easy for you to blend. Okay? I might not use all this meat because it's looking to me like it's a lot. I just want to eat meat pie quickly and I want to make just a little quantity. I've been craving for meat pie. Yeah. So remember, there is garlic, there is ginger, there is onion here, and there is scotch bonnet. All of those good stuffs will help your meat pie filling to come out tasty and delicious. If you want to add paprika, that's your preference. I don't want paprika here. This is the basics, okay? So let's taste. It's well seasoned and the pepper is given already. So cover it up and allow it to cook. We're going to check this later. Meanwhile, I'm going to get my carrots and all the rest of them ready so we can get started. Several minutes later, guys, this is what we got: our potatoes and our carrots. Chop your potatoes and your carrots this way. This is how you chop your potatoes and carrots for your meat pie filling, okay? I'm going to wash this out and blanch this because you want your potatoes to cook down before you begin to mix it into your filling, into the beef, okay? And then carrot is hard, so you want them to cook nicely. Everything will come out very nice and tender in your meat pie, all right? In this pot, I've gone in with some water. Here I'm going to be blanching my potato and my carrot. Okay, I'll just allow it to cook for just 5 minutes. That should be it. Okay, so just go in with a little pinch of salt so you can give it some good taste. Cover it up like so. 5 minutes, we'll check if it's well. Yeah, it has given me its own juice. I will allow it to keep cooking until it is nice and tender. If you want to add some water at this point, go ahead and add a little bit of water. All right. Check this. I think this is ready. Yeah, 5 minutes. It's ready. So I'm going to just sift this out and wait until the meat is ready. I like to cook my sausage for a little bit. You can choose not to. Grab that sauce. It's always come out very delicious after all those deliciousness gets into it. You know what I'm saying? Olive oil. To my pot, I'm going to add a little pinch of it. Just a little bit, okay? I'm going to go in with some onion. Toast your onion for just 60 seconds. And here is our grounded beef. We're going to add it into the pot. We're going to add our beef. Then go in with your beef like so. Fry until it is brown in color. Our beef is ready, as you can see, pretty brown, very tasty. I'm going to go in with this. So if you like, you can add some more seasoning. Go in with a little bit of curry, adobo seasoning, Goya seasoning, and then I went in with thyme. Add some peppers if you want to add more. Mix everything in. Remember, our potato and carrot is cooked already. Alright, so mix. I'm going to add a little bit of binder. This is my corn flour. You can add flour, but I do not really like to add flour, being that the pastry itself is flour. Okay, add your corn flour or whatever you choose to use as your thickener. Add some water. I'm adding my meat broth. That will infuse so much deliciousness into this. Trust me, and all of those seasoning is going to give it a very good outcome. Yum, yum, yum. How is it looking already, guys? This is so yum. Look at that delicious meat pie filling. Very delicious. Very. This is so yum. So yum. I'll just set it aside and allow it to cool up before we start making our meat pie. So it is very advisable to get your meat pie filling ready first. You can do it like a day before or night before the next day. Or if you have to make it the same day, then you have to make your filling like early in the morning. That way to cool down, and then you can mix your flour and get it all done It's going to come out very delicious, even more delicious. All right. Here in my bowl, I have 8 cups of flour. I'm going to add this quantity of salt, not up to a teaspoon of salt, okay? I choose to go in with nutmeg because I want it flavorful. So just go in with your nutmeg like this. Here's my half stick of butter. Make sure it's a cold butter. I added total of 6 sticks of butter into these 8 cups of. Mix it in like so. Remember, I have a total of 8 cups of flour. Just be gentle with your mixing. So this is it. Don't mix too much like I said. Just a teaspoon of salt for this recipe. Make a well. I want to add some egg. It's your choice not to add, but I like to have some egg in my meat pie. So I have some eggs here, about 7 eggs. So I'm going to take out these yolks. I don't want the yolks. I'm taking those yolks out for health reason. And some people don't add egg. You can choose not to, but I like to have egg in my meat pie batter. I'm going to add my egg like so. All you want to do at this point is keep tossing your batter. You don't want to mix it too hard so you can get the right consistency. If you must know, eggs will help to soften your batter, especially for meat pie and whatever pastry. Okay? And you will have a very delicious meat pie batter. Let me know in the comment section if you like everything I added to this meat pie recipe. Don't work your dough for meat pie too much. Alright? So you can achieve the right texture. And it will come out crumbling and beautiful. I'm going to add some water. I added water here. This is 1 cup of water, 1 cup of milk. Add it in. Mix. Do not add all at the same time. Just mix it in gently. You do not want to lose the consistency of your batter. Okay? Yeah. Just gently mix it in. And this is the outcome, guys. I hope you're going to try this for your family. This is for my family. We have craved for meat pie, and I decided to do this for my husband. This was an eve before Father's Day because he likes meat pie. So you can always do this. I'll put it in my fridge and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Several minutes later, guys, I'm about to open it up from the nylon, cut them into the sizes so I can start making our meat pie. So this is how it's looking. Can you see the consistency? Cut it in like so. Yes. Look at how beautiful. This is how your meat pie is going to look by the time you are done. It's going to come out crumbling. It's going to come out very yummy, very beautiful. Try this, guys, and let me know what you think in the comment section. So we're going to go ahead and start making our meat pie. Roll it in like so. Flatten it up. You can cut with whatever you choose to. If you have meat pie cutter, go ahead. I have meat pie cutter, but I like old school. So just cut it in like so to any shape of your choice. You can do round shape, you can do square shape, whatever shape of your choice. Just go ahead and get it done. All of those pieces can still be used for anything. Here I'm going to be making sausage also because I have craved for sausage too. So that is just it. And here is our meat pie filling, ready to go into our meat pie batter. And yeah, that's it. Just watch this video and learn how to make meat pie for your family. Trust me, guys, you are gonna love it. It came out very beautiful. It came out very delicious. I have several meat pie recipes on my channel. Please go look out for it. Give me a thumbs up if you have watched till this point. So guys, if you have watched this video to this moment, you haven't subscribed, please do me well to subscribe and don't miss out. We have wonderful recipes which are going to be very helpful to you, your friends, and your loved ones. Share these videos. If you haven't been sharing my videos, please share my videos so that way a lot of people can benefit from these recipes. Trust me, guys, you want to learn how to do certain things so you can just enjoy them at the comfort of your home. I want to say thank you so much for my returning subscribers. Thank you so much to my new subscribers. I really appreciate you all. God bless you. So just go ahead, friends, repeat the same process until you have enough of the meat pie. Just go ahead, even if you have some pieces of flour left, you can chop them into some pieces and make chin chin out of it, or make whatever you want to still get out of it. There is nothing that goes into a waste in my kitchen. Tell me if you are wasteful or you are conservative like me. So here our meat pie is all ready. All you want to do at this point is just beautify it with the egg, egg wash. Just make it look pretty, and egg will help your meat pie come out beautiful, brown, whatever color you want. You're going to get it by the time it's ready. So here is our first set of meat pie, looking very beautiful. This is one color. Let me know if you prefer this color. I'm going to get the next one in. Yeah, so the next one is in. I'm going to allow it to cook. And do you like sausage roll? I like sausage roll a lot, so sometimes I just make a little pieces because I try to stay away from sausage. So here is our meat pie. I'm trying to see if it's nice. I'm going to leave it for a little bit because I want it to give me that very golden brown color. I like the golden brown color. Tell me, which color of meat pie do you prefer? Do you prefer this color, which is light and pretty, which is the popular color, or do you prefer the golden color, which is my favorite color? So here you're going to see two colors of this meat pie. Guys, this meat pie came out very delicious. Look at this color. This is my favorite color. What is your favorite color for meat pie? I love this color. The crust was so fantastic. The crust was crumbling. It was tender. It was just beautiful. This meat pie was just the best for me. My husband said he loved the way I went about this very mixture. And trust me, guys, I got a very beautiful meat pie. Let's cut in, guys. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. This is filling. Ooh, this is so good. Mmm. 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 See that I think? The crust is so thin and beautiful. Look at that meat pie. Mmm. It's so beautiful, well cooked, and yum, yum, yum. Let's cut into our sausage. Guys, I want to eat up everything. The crust is so good. The crust is so good, guys. Woo! The crust is so good. It's so good, guys. So yum. Try this. Stay tuned. This is pretty. Let me know which color is your best color. I like this a lot, but this is my favorite color. I trust you have enjoyed this video. Please begin to drop your lovely comments. Tell me which is your favorite color, and I hope you're going to try it and DM me on my Instagram. Just go to my Facebook and just let me know if you did it. WhatsApp me if you have my WhatsApp. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God love the merciful heart. Thank you all so much. Ciao, ciao, bye bye. See you soon.